Basic tutorial for beginners. 1. Resize your photo into small. 2. Go to Insert. 3. Go to Text box and choose the Austin sidebar. It depends on your wants. If you want to replace the photo in front of the text, just follow the steps. 6. Go to Layout Options and choose the last option in front of the text, then move it. 7. Go back to Insert. 8. Go back to Text box and choose the simple text box. It depends on your wants. Please, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. 10. Go to Shape Fill and choose the No Fill. 11. Go to Shape Outline and choose the No Outline. I hope you learned something. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.